Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang pasilip sa 2025. Ayan, let's see what's coming to you ngayong 2025. Meron pa rin naman kayong annual reading for 2025. Abangan nyo yan sa December. Okay? But for now, silip lang muna tayo. Ano yung mga energies? Ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong 2025? If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Libra, what's coming to you sa 2025? Ano po yung energies? Ooh, 7th house. 7th house is about relationships, partnerships. Pluto is the planet of transformation, change, endings, new beginnings, okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, Libra, maaring merong focus pagdating sa relationships ninyo. Kung ano yung mga relationships, connections, partnerships na kailangan mag-end dahil maaring this will help you grow into a better version of yourself. Let's say, for example, romantic relationship na toxic na or parang you feel like hindi ka na masaya, hindi na nag-grow yung relationship, wala nang pinatutunguhan, maaring magkaroon ka ng realizations na it's time to let go of that relationship para makapag-explore ka pa ng mga ibang bagay sa buhay mo. Pwedeng personal exploration or pwedeng exploring other relationships dahil meron ditong Sagittarius energy, which is an energy of someone na mahilig mag-explore, wants to be free, wants to try new things. So, regardless kung ito ay romantic relationship, sa family, sa friends, or business partnerships, I see that you will have this major change in how you deal with your personal relationships. Okay? So, let's see what else. Ano pa ang energies for Libra? Oh, grabe. 7th house talaga, relationship. So, I think you're going to reassess your situation with someone or situation mo sa business if it's a partnership. Yung iba naman, pwede itong new relationship, especially if you haven't been in a relationship for a while. Na tipong taon na, wala ka pang jowa. So, ngayong 2025, things are going to change for you. Maaring mas magiging experimental ka in, connecting with others. Let's say, for example, dati mahiyain ka or hindi ka nagtatry ng mga dating app. Ngayong 2025, magsa-sign up ko sa isang dating app, you'll meet new people, and of course, no, malaki yung chance na makahanap ka talaga ng romantic partner. Oo, kasi nga lumalabas ka. You also have Pallas Athena, think. Yes. So, ngayong 2025, I see you na mas magiging connected sa iyong mga ideas. Maaring you will pay attention to your ideas, especially if these are creative ideas. Let's say, may naisip kang bagong negosyo or bagong project or mga bagay na gusto mong isakatuparan to make it a reality. So, hindi mo na lang siya basta iisipin. Gagawin mo na rin siya. You have the North Node, which is about your future. Wow, so maraming mag-unfold for you, Libra, ngayong 2025. Pagdating sa future mo, I think you are preparing for your future. Mas seryoso ka ngayon in accomplishing a lot of things. Marami kang gustong matapos, ma-accomplish, magawa, and maaring you will be aligned to your destiny. Destiny mo in terms of career, business, or even sa relationship. At kung ano man yung mangyayari, it's either endings, new beginnings sa relationship mo, it is for your own good at yun ay part ng iyong life's purpose. Okay, let's see what else. Libra. What's coming to you? New beginnings. Yung iba sa inyo, magfo-focus rin kayo sa inyong career, maaring may bagong trabaho, negosyo, business. Some of you travel. May mga travel opportunities. Yung iba, pwedeng may opportunity kayo to work abroad or to relocate abroad. Ano to inspired action. So, lahat ng mga sisimulan nyo, gagawin nyo, ngayong 2025 ay base sa inyong mga ideas or plano. Pwedeng ibang plano na to matagal nyo nang iniisip, di nyo lang ginagawa. So ngayon 2025, gagawin nyo na. Yes, merong awakening dito, no? You are learning, you are improving, you are transforming. Kasi yung judgment is also a rebirth. Kung ano yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, hindi na sa'yo nagre-resonate or anything that you feel na parang nagiging hadlang sa'yo para maabot yung mga pangarap mo or gusto mo sa buhay, ila-let go mo yun at magpo-focus ka dun sa mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. And may mga times din na, i-accept mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo na kontrolado. At yan, merong 6 of Wands which is about triumph, victory. This is success. So nakikita ko rito, yung mga paghihirapan mo, yung mga e-effortan mo ngayong 2025, this will bring you success. Okay? Kumbaga, the more na na-challenge ka, the more na mas nag-take action ka, at dahil dun sa actions na gagawin mo, meron tong resulta na maganda para sa'yo, which is, makukuha mo yung gusto mo. And there's also a certain level of fame. So, pwede rin ikaw ay mas makilala, kung meron kang social media, kung meron kang, if you're a content creator, mas dadami yung followers mo. Pagdating naman sa work, you will be recognized sa mga ginagawa mo, sa mga, sa trabaho mo. I see you na merong award na matatanggap ngayong 2025. You have the King of Pentacles. Wow, visionary. Someone who is very reliable. So, nakakita ko rin dito na merong kang, merong position for you. A higher position. This can be literal na position sa trabaho. Like, pwedeng ma-upgrade yung iyong posisyon. Let's say, ikaw ay mapopromote. Or, maaring sa social media, sa online, no, na meron kang social media presence na masasabi natin na very influential. Okay? So, when it comes to your finances, I see na mas magiging stable rin ang iyong finances. Speaking of money, career, finances. Okay, meron daw may financial loss for some of you. Kaya ito yung time na kailangan mo ring mag-prepare. Okay? Paghandaan mo. Hindi rin kailangan na yung tipong parang complacent ka na, kampante ka na kapag things are doing well for you, hindi ka na mag-iingat or hindi mo na puprotektahan yung sarili mo. So you really have to be more careful, especially that maraming blessings na darating sa'yo. Okay, sa love life naman, let's see. For Libra. Focusing on your family. Maari rin magkaroon ng family issues, okay? Maaring may decision ka pagdating sa relationship mo na hindi magustuhan ng family mo. So, ito yung time na kailangan open ka sa kanila with your plans, with your feelings, para maiwasan yung misunderstanding. But for some of you, ang isa rin sa main focus nyo yung family, which is part of your relationships. Okay. So, some of you, energy nyo to, you are the charming woman. Someone na kayang-kaya niyang mag-provide para sa kanyang sarili. someone who's very creative. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pag-ingatan nyo rin pagdating sa pera. Kasi pwedeng maganda yung pasok ng pera, pero andyan din yung temptation, andyan din yung ah, threats, no, sa paligid nyo na baka merong mga taong mag-take advantage sa inyo. So, be very careful. Regardless kung anong pagdaanan nyo ngayong 2025, meron kayong confidence, no? Na meron kayong strength, lakas para ma-overcome ano man tong challenge na to na kaharapin ninyo. Okay, and then, yes, may throne na naman. Your potential is endless. So, I see a lot of opportunities opening up sa inyo ngayong 2025. More on securing a position, no? A certain position in your career, in your business, na kung saan people will look up to you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.